Hi my friends, I love eating rice. Today I'll be steaming some rice in our rice cooker. I love doing that because I love eating rice, like I said. And I thought today I'll go outside and cook outside since the weather is so nice. Yay, let me tell you, it's a sweet rice. Let's do it. We bought the Double Horses brand Thai sweet rice. Whoa, let me show you what it looks like. Have you ever had it before? This is the rice cooker we bought for $16 on Amazon. You can put it in a sieve and rinse it off. We make 4 cups of rice. They give you these cups with a rice cooker. We always cook different kinds of rice. This is more an ASMR style video. I'm kind of slow, I'm used to ASMR. Now we add salt and water to it. We'll add 6 cups of water. Five. 6. Now the salt. We will be using 1 teaspoon for the 4 cups. So if you make half, of course, you use 2 cups of rice and a half a teaspoon of salt. So shake it, baby. A bird is singing for me. Birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie. Salt. For this rice cooker they give you this spoon. All you do is push it turns off automatically and it keeps the rice warm. Oh, it's cooking. It's hot. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, so steaming hot. It's doing so well. I forgot to tell you that it's sticky rice. Sticky Thai flying horse rice. Yummy. Sticky rice is pretty good. Let's eat some. Whoa. That's how easy it is to cook rice. I haven't had sticky rice in a while. Sweet sticky rice. I hope you enjoyed another video from me today. Thank you for watching. Till next time, I hope till soon, for hopefully some more of an interesting rice cooking video. Bye!